Hello, my name is Ron. This is the story of my life, a story of pain, dreams, hard work, and love. I was only 17 when I ran away from home. My family was very poor. Many nights, we had nothing to eat. My father lost his job, and my mother cleaned houses. There were fights at home, tears, and silence, but I had a dream. I wanted a better life, so, one morning, I left a note and walked away. I didn't know where I was going. I just knew I had to try. When I reached the big city, I had no money. That night, I slept at a bus stop. It was cold. I was scared. I felt hungry, but I looked at the stars and told myself, Ron, don't give up. The next day, I walked around, asking for work, shop to shop. Door to door, people said, no. They looked down on me, but in the evening, a kind restaurant owner gave me a chance. You can be a waiter here, he said. It wasn't much, but it was something. I worked 12 hours a day. I cleaned tables, carried tea, washed dishes. Customers shouted. My hands hurt, but I smiled and worked harder. After 6 months, I became a courier boy. I delivered parcels on an old cycle. One day, it rained, and I slipped on the road. My clothes were dirty. My body hurt. But I stood up. I had to earn. At night, I taught myself English. I watched YouTube videos. I wrote new words in a notebook. I spoke in front of a mirror. I made many mistakes, but I never stopped. Later, I got a job in a call center. My English was not perfect, but I was polite. People shouted at me on the phone. Still, I listened. I solved their problems. I was learning. I was growing, and then something beautiful happened. One day, I saw a message on my phone. It was from Lira, my childhood friend, my secret crush in school. She wrote, "Hi Ron, I heard you're in this city. Let's meet." My heart was full of joy. We met in a small cafe. She was now a school teacher. We talked for hours. She said, "I always liked you, but I was shy." We started meeting often. We shared our dreams. We laughed. We cried. And yes, we fell in love. After 2 years, we got married. A small wedding, simple clothes, and happy hearts. My parents came too. They said, "Ron, you made us proud." Lira and I lived in a small flat, 1 room, 1 stove, but it was filled with love. Every night, we cooked together, we dreamed together. With her support, I started a digital marketing business. My first client paid me $100. I was the happiest man alive. Slowly, I got more clients. I worked day and night. I stayed honest. I kept learning. Soon, I had a small office. A small team. I gave jobs to young boys and girls from poor families. I trained them. I believed in them. Lira had a dream too. She wanted to start a school for poor children. I said, "Let's do it." We started with 5 kids in our room. We gave them books, snacks, love. After 1 year, we opened a small school. We named it Hope School. One day, a news reporter came. She asked, "Ron, what is your secret?" I said, "My failures. I failed many times, but every fall made me stronger." She smiled and asked, "What's your message to the youth?" And I said, "Never feel small." I was a waiter, I was a courier boy, but I had dreams. I had hope. If I can do it, so can you. Later, I received the Young Achiever Award. I stood on the stage with tears in my eyes. I said, "This award is not just mine, it belongs to every person who never gave up." Lira was in the front row. She cried too. Happy tears. Years passed. I returned to my hometown. My mother hugged me tightly. Neighbors came to meet me. Some were the same people who once laughed at my dreams. Now, they said, "We are proud of you." I forgave them all. I felt peace. Today, I run a company. Lira runs 2 schools. Together, we also built a shelter for homeless children. One day, a young boy came to my office. He said, "Sir, I ran away from home. I want to work hard like you." I gave him a job. I paid for his school, because I know I didn't become great alone. Someone gave me a chance, and now I will do the same. So my friend, if you're listening, let me tell you this: never give up on your dream. It may take time, there will be pain, but your future is waiting. I'm Ron, a waiter, a courier, a dreamer, and now a man who found love, success, and purpose. Thank you for listening to my story.